What is the importance of a job description and how do we really make an effective job description? A job description, in a simple word, is a transparent document which is telling the entire line that this is what this individual needs to perform. When I say the entire line, we mean the individual who is required to deliver. It's transparently told to them that I want you to deliver on these 5, 10, 15 things. The supervisor is very clear that this individual is required to deliver these 5, 10, 15 things. Therefore, the supervisor will also put the resources, time, energy, effort, mentoring, coaching in that direction. Similarly, the skip level is also clear that this person is required to deliver on this kind of a framework. So they are also clear that I'm not going to create conflicting jobs, I'm not going to create conflicts, and I'm not going to create resources which are not available, so that if an individual needs to perform whatever resources are required to perform this skill, I'm going to provide them. So practically what you're doing is, when you create a job description, you ensure that not only an individual is aware, you're also ensuring that everybody is trying to do whatever they can to make sure this is delivered. A skip level will ensure that the resources required are provided. Direct line supervisor will ensure that you get the coaching and the mentoring, and clarity is there. A human resource professional will ensure that you are getting that kind of a measurement metrics, which means everybody is clearly that you are going to be measured for your performance only on these skills. Therefore, your career, your future, and your promotions depend on the work you do over here rather than any other hidden attribute. So if this kind of a transparency is provided to individuals, how do we really make an effective job description or a very impactful job description? An impactful job description is one which can not only tell an individual what is it that you need to do, but also give them a measurable of that output. What does measurable mean? Measurable mean when you can tell an individual that I am looking at you to perform this task with speed. So you give some kind of a time kind of a variance over there, or with quality. So you give some kind of a error ratio over there, or with cost. So you give some kind of a financial narrative over there. So if an individual is aware that what is it that I need to focus on in terms of a measurable outcome and numerical outcome, you have not only told them what to do, but you have also told them which direction to run towards. Whether I should just run in a broad fashion or run towards a cost saving, run towards quality, run towards speed. Yes, you may say there are multiples required, but you need to ensure that you're giving them some kind of a clarity in terms of where they need to focus. As soon as you give them focus, you've got a highly impactful job description, and you've got a very, very clear system in the organization which is going to start giving you results, which will ensure that you can then build systems and processes on top of that, which means you can grow as an organization, you can have transparent conversations, you can have a ROI calculation systems, and everything running in a very standard and a very transparent and a numerically measurable manner.